gentle echoes of time's embrace. Each shadow finds its quiet space in the flow of light, a tender trace binds the soul to this serene place. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see the harmony of you and me. The stars align, they softly hum, telling secrets of where we're from. In the quiet, our hearts succumb to a rhythm eternal as the drum. Glimmers dance on the ocean's crest. Nature hums her song, no quest. A lullaby to draw in rest, where weary wanderers do invest. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see the harmony of you and me. Through the stillness, the clouds drift high. Thoughts like breezes whisper by. Endless waves of a calm blue sky, where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace. Each shadow finds its quiet space in the flow of light, a tender trace binds the soul to this serene place. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see the harmony of you and me. down.